Have you ever thought, how is the universe accelerating? The answer is dark energy. 4.6% is normal matter, roughly 25% is dark matter, roughly 70% of the universe is dark energy. What is dark energy? We don't exactly know. We do know it exists because things are happening that should be impossible, like we thought the universe was slowing down and eventually going to collapse on itself because of gravity, but dark energy makes that not happen and the universe accelerates. Its space does not change its properties when it expands. There is just more of it. We cannot detect, measure, or see dark energy, but we can see its effects. To me, the energy is a misnomer, and it's like opposite gravity that we don't understand. Looking at things that makes light that's far away in space gets redshift faster and faster as the universe expands. Redshift is when the color of whatever you're looking at that makes the light shifts red because the wavelength is stretched because it's moving further away, and red has a longer wavelength, so it turns red. Scientists find out the universe was accelerating from redshift from type 1a supernova, which is a specific type of supernova explosion that expands to about the same radius after it explodes, and it looks something like this. Dark energy might just be a property of space, or it could be from the quantum theory of matter. In this theory, empty space is actually full of virtual particles that continuously pop into existence and then pop out of existence. But the energy calculated from the virtual particles came out 1 to the 120 times too big. If you don't know what that is, that's 1 with 120 zeros after it. It's hard to get an answer that bad, so the theory does not give us an understanding about dark energy. Or it could be that dark energy is quintessence, which is my favorite theory, named from essence, which is the fifth element. The theory of quintessence is that dark energy is an invisible fluid that loves having more of itself. You cannot drink it, though. But if quintessence is the answer to dark energy, we still don't know what it's like, anything about it, so I still don't know what dark energy is. The last way it might be is that Einstein's theory of gravity could be incorrect, and we need to change the theory of gravity to say the universe expands. But we don't know how to change it or what to change it into, so none of the theories give us an understanding of what dark energy is. We need to figure out which theory is right, either quintessence, a property of space, or quantum theory of matter, or changing Einstein's theory of gravity. But we need more data about dark energy to do that. A theory how the universe could end is that dark energy would turn into phantom energy, and it expands so fast and causes a big rip in space. The Milky Way will be torn apart, and planets will fly from the sun, and they will disintegrate, and you will disintegrate like gravity stopped.